The lady you see is Jyoti Somshekar Lambani, who lives in the Hiremagi village. Her day starts with a feed for the birds by chopping a fodder into small pieces. The reason she does this is to avoid wastage. She keeps crushed maize or pearl millet as feed throughout the day. She mixes dried drumstick leaves with flour mill wastes and makes a paste with water, and then she feeds it. Fresh and clean water is supplied to the birds using cans on gravity flow to the drinker, which is washed 3 times a day. She also adds jaggery solution and turmeric once a week to increase the disease resistance. In case of predators, the birds alarm the owners, who then shoo them away. During the brooding period, the chicks from 1 to 8 days old are kept inside the house with proper heating and lighting equipments. The birds that you see are 9 to 28 days old, and a special feed is given to them with a bulb as the heating equipment. The hole that you see is actually an earthen pot submerged in the floor. The top layer near the neck of the pot is covered with wet sand. This is the traditional method of storing fertilized eggs. She then closes the lid. This is the incubator and hatcher developed innovatively by her and her husband. The cost to make this incubator was nearly 1,800 rupees. The materials used to construct this incubator are cheap and affordable. It indicates the humidity and temperature. Humidity level is maintained by placing water in the red tub fitted with a small DC fan and a light source for heating. There are 2 trays with capacity of 80 fertilized eggs each. Turning of the eggs has to be done manually. With this equipment, she has achieved the hatching percentage of 80, quite in contrast to the 50% she achieved by placing the hens. The eggs are kept for 18 days in the incubator. Since she lives in a remote area, she ensures continuous electricity supply with a solar-operated battery. This self-employed micro-enterprise needs low investments with a more promising returns. This also has an advantage of low input cost since the feed materials used are from their own kitchen wastes. Added to this, the innovation like an incubator made locally adds value to this enterprise. She also markets eggs and chicken at their doorstep. They found out that dishes made at their homes is more profitable. Against the orders, she easily makes about 20 to 25,000 rupees per month. This is the ray of hope for all the other women with the backyard facilities. This can be replicated by other interested folks too.